Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona two-tone scrambled serial number series, so recent production. It is a 116523 and 904 all steel and yellow gold. Rolex calls this Rolesaur, the combination of gold and steel on one watch. It's a 40 millimeter diameter. It measures 12.4 millimeters thick, 46.5 lug-to-lug. If we add the end links to the Oyster bracelet, total distance across the wrist is 50.3 with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw this watch on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. I'll pull my glove back a little bit so you can see more easily. But the watch fits nicely. This is a very flat watch that'll fit easily under a dress cuff. If you want to wear it formally, you absolutely can. It's perfectly suitable for a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference, maybe even 13 and a half, because I've seen some women with rather petite wrists wear this watch successfully, even on a bracelet, even with solid end links. It's got a nice satisfying weight to it. And as you can see, the bracelet, which is yellow Rolesaur with yellow gold and 904 all steel, comes entirely from Rolex's own foundries. They cook their own steel, they smelt their own gold. And the steel used in this case is 904L steel, which is a high nickel content steel. Rolex now calls it Oyster steel. It's highly resistant to corrosion in the face of certain kinds of acids, but more pertinent in the face of sea salt and sweat. It will not corrode. Believe it or not, some stainless steels will. Now the watch is a Oyster bracelet here with a conforming end link, a little bit of a taper as we move down the links toward the clasp, polished outer faces, satin shoulders, polished center. You can see we've got a lift lock system here that's spring loaded with the beak and then a hook, and these two things latch together. That's the first closure. That's the second closure. It's actually a double locking clasp. You can see we've got the little clamshell and a kerf, so you can dig your nail in under the clamshell to lift it up. Inside the clasp, you can see the Rolex Easy Link system. Snap in, snap out, tool-free adjustment, 5 millimeters in and out. You can also see that there are 3 pairs of divots drilled inside the clasp, and you can change the anchoring point of the bracelet to change the fit of the watch. So you can remove or add links. There's Easy Link, and then there are the 3 divots. So you've got 3 sizing methodologies built in. We have here an Oyster case, albeit with the uniquely elegant Daytona lug profile, screw-down crowns, including a trip-lock crown in gold. You know that because it's 3 dots with the largest dot at center. That's a trip-lock in gold. Screwed-in Oyster caseback, screw-down crowns for the chronograph, 100 meters water-resistant. Outboard, we've got a gold lacquer-filled tachymetric scale bezel, and what you could do is you could use that bezel and the chronograph to gauge the speed of, let's say, a race car over a kilometer, which is most appropriate for a Cosmograph Daytona, named after the famous Daytona International Speedway in Daytona, Florida. Daytona Beach, of course, where the racing started in the 1950s, moving to the Speedway in 1959, and then from the early days of endurance motor racing, not NASCAR, but endurance motor racing. Rolex was often a sponsor, providing the Rolex Daytona as the winner's gift for each winning driver in each class-winning car today. It is the ultimate trophy in motorsports, and what's important to note is that in recent years, in the GTP era of IMSA, the watch given away at the 24 to the winners has been the two-tone watch. So this is actually just like the winner's gift at the 24 Hours of Daytona. And everyone from Paul Newman to Fernando Alonso has sought this watch. And Newman and Alonso actually attained the prize by winning their class. I believe it was in the Daytona prototype successor class GTP for Alonso, and I think it was GTS1 in 1995 for Paul Newman, but they both would have won this watch. Now, the timepiece is equipped with a black lacquer dial base with yellow gold hands and Rolex crown. You can see that we've got luminescence in the form of Rolex's signature chromolite blue lume. We do have hacking seconds. If you wish to stop the movement and set it to a reference time, you can do so easily. The chronograph is automatic winding with a 3-day power reserve, and it has a column wheel for crisp push or feel, and a vertical clutch for smooth engagement. You can also leave the vertical clutch engaged without any additional wear, tear, or hazard to the movement. Full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, overcoil hairspring for isochronous operation in any position with respect to gravity, blue oxidized niobium zirconium anti-magnetic parachrom blue hairspring, so the watch is shock resistant, anti-magnetic, and water resistant to 100 meters. All of that, it's a 4 hertz beat rate, pivoting on 44 joules, and it is a vertical clutch and a column wheel. The movement is certified as a chronometer, a Swiss chronometer, but then Rolex cases it up and tests it as a fully assembled watch to run no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. If you love this watch and you don't think you can win one at the Speedway, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.